Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm a senior stylist with Verde Salon, and today I'm going to show you how to do the perfect blowout. To do the perfect blowout, we're going to start with damp hair and spray in our Nutriplenish leave-in. We're going to start with probably about 4 to 5 sprays throughout. We're going to brush that through with our wet brush. And then to make things easier, we're going to take our clips and do a little bit of sectioning. Pull that back. Doesn't have to be perfect, just clip it out of the way. And then we're going to do 1 pump of the Aveda foam. And just distribute that through that first section that we've pulled out. We're gonna grab blow dryer with your nozzle and a nice big fat round brush. Follow that throughout. You just really want to follow the nozzle down the hair shaft to smooth everything out. Once that's dry, we're going to move on to the next section and do the same. And again, you only need about 1 pump of Aveda foam per section that we're doing. Really focus that in on the roots and the top to give us good volume. And then we're going to go through and just roll everything back from the face. So if you have a cool shot button, we're going to go through again and turn on that coolness and hit everything 1 more time to just really set in that volume. there we go. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the products in the description box below.